Hi guys, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a little bit more natural glamour. I don't know if that's even a word to say, but it is kind of like a natural glamour, and I really wanted to do like a crazy cut crease. At first I wasn't really feeling this look, but then when the whole thing came along, I actually really love it. I fell in love with it. I'm actually still in love with it. I absolutely like it, and I just wanted to just work with neutrals, a little bit of grays, a little bit of shimmer. Well, there's a lot of shimmer on there, and today I'm actually using the Anastasia Sultry palette, which is, look at this, look, I mean,
come on, this
is so pretty. So this is what I use on my eyes today, and I have a lot of Anastasia also on my face. If you guys want to see how I created it, please keep on watching. All right, you guys, so the first thing I went ahead and I did is that I went and I already primed my lid, and I used the Morphe lid primer, and I already blended it out. Now I'm very close on taking this whole eye off and starting something new, but I don't feel like it, so I'm just gonna keep it. So today's tutorial, I'm gonna be using the Sultry palette from Anastasia. I like it a lot. The palette is gorgeous. I just feel like the eye look is not, I'm not feeling it today, but I'm not gonna give up on it. I'm just gonna do the other eye, finish up the face, and hopefully at the end I will like a little bit more. Let's start off and say that this palette is absolutely gorgeous, from the packaging to the box and just everything about it. I find it so pretty. The first color I'm gonna be taking is called Birch. I think this is from Jaclyn Hill. This is the JH41. Oh, and the one before I was using is also from Jaclyn Hill. It's the JH30. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this concealer and go ahead and cut my crease. I really want to do it kind of like the same eye. I know maybe that's why I don't like it, because I went a little bit high on this, but I don't care. Whatever. outer wing because I will be creating a little wing on there. This highlight though, I'm so in love with Pearl, you guys. It's absolutely stunning as a color. So that is done. I'm gonna go ahead and create my wing. For the liner, I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be back to finish up the eye with you guys. Alright, you guys, the liner is on, and it's winged. Okay, it's winged for something. I'm gonna be taking Birch again, and I'm going to apply that all over the lower lash line. And I'm also going to kind of match it with the wing. And I'm also going to be taking Twig, which is the second color I used. And I also used it on the top, which is the second color. And I'm going to apply that like this. This is Twig again. Just doing that little fade under tucking it under the wing. And I'm taking Dystopian again. And I'm just going to pack it on the lower lash line like this. And I'm taking Pearl again, and I'm going to pack Pearl on the rest of the inner corner just to really brighten it up. Next, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Pearl again, and I'm going to apply that right under the brow bone, but just a little bit. I don't want to overdo it, as if the eye is not overly done already. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara and lashes, and I'll be back to finish up the rest of the face with you guys. Okay, you guys, so lashes are on. Oh, I forgot to mention with lashes, these are the House of Lashes Smoke Muse. I think it's Smoke Muse. And I applied my Benefit They're Real mascara for this one too. It's my favorite. So that is what it is on the eyes, and everything I have rests on the face, because as you guys noticed in the beginning of this tutorial that I went ahead and I did everything else. So everything that I put on my face and brows and everything is going to be in the info box down below. You can go ahead and check it out. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the face. So I'm just taking my MAC Studio Fix powder. I applied a little bit of my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. This is done, and I'm just going to put that on my face just to kind of bring back my face to life. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and brows up my face. For once, you guys, I'm not using the Kat Von D one. I'm using my new one from Too Faced, and this is the Chocolate Bronzer. And I have to say, you guys, this stuff is so good, and it smells like chocolate. It smells like deliciousness. I'm gonna take this, and I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill JH04, and this is the shade, if you guys are wondering, this is shade Matte. And I'm just gonna take it, and I'm going to just chisel up my face. And I'm also staying in the Anastasia. I'm taking the Radiant Blush Kit, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of maybe this shade right here. This one is called Terrace. Grab it, and I'm just going to apply it lightly on the apples of my cheeks. Not too much, because I don't want to overdo this look. For highlight, I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia and Nicole Guerriero palette. I think this one is sold out. Sorry guys, but if you have it, grab it. It's really, really good. I'm gonna be taking Glow Geta, which is this one right here, and apply it on my face. Now this stuff is so nice, you guys. Could you see that? This one screams highlight to NASA. My Urban Decay spray. I just love when Urban Decay have the all-nighter in the duo like that. I always get it. I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. For lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one here, this color. I'm not sure if this is gonna be too dark on me. I really want to have like a nice nude. Lately, my favorite nude is Finished, and it's from Jeffree Star, which is Mannequin. I'm gonna do this color. This is from Makeup Forever, and this is shade 103. It's a nice color. I wish it was just a little bit lighter. This is like my perfect nude when I'm tanned. I'm gonna go ahead and fix up my hair, and I'll be back to do the conclusion of this video. Let me look at my hair. What the fuck is this doing? Like, my ear is not there. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And yes, at the end, I do like this look after having the 2 eyes done and face done, highlight on, lipstick on. It really changes the whole thing. So yes, I do like this look, and yes, I highly recommend you the Anastasia Sultry palette. I find it absolutely gorgeous. I actually got it for my birthday from a very good friend of mine. Her name is Stephanie. Thank you, girl. I know you watch my videos. You are awesome. I love this palette. I really hope you like what I did with this look, or with this palette. Everything I use on my face today is going to be indicated in the info box down below for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.